What's up, guys? I don't know how to start. The energy is pumped today. I'm very excited about. No, seriously, I'm really. Why are you laughing?
I'm not.
Usually, I'm not that guy. Like, not that happy all the time.
No, you're always happy.
I am always happy, but on the camera, it's like, you know, whatever. So I'm very excited about the meet today because we are going to the location where we might purchase some of our stuff for the merchandise, right? Like T-shirts, hoodies. I want to have socks. Yes, socks. I want to have that. So because I love socks, most of my pants are a little shorter, and together with my shoes, I like it when you see socks. And if it's, you know, some kind of like different design, it would look good for all of my outfits. So I'm happy with that. I'm really excited. Not a food vlog.
Another food vlog.
Yeah.
We don't got time to sleep at the moment. No. So this is the garment district. We can walk around here, kind of look and buy like wholesale type of clothing,
Right.
or material for clothing.
Right. And that's what I'm saying. So I have the feeling that this culture here in California, especially Los Angeles, is a t-shirt culture, and it might be that there are so many suppliers that the price shouldn't be that high, maybe because of competitive situation.
Yes.
If you have, I don't know, for example, in Minneapolis, 10 suppliers, but you have here maybe 50. So to compare with others, the price might be maybe lower. Plus the quality could be a thing because.
But then you got to also think about something else, which is where are you going to house this type of garments, right? So the cost of shipping it over to Minneapolis could outweigh, you know what I mean? This is a step for you to look at least materials.
Yes.
And for you to say, okay, this is the type of material I want. This is not the material I want. Yes. And then from there, we make a decision, hey, I like it. They do printing here too. So we can ask questions like, if I put an order in, would there be a discount? Like, you know, things like that. I don't know this process. I mean, you're new to this too, so we're asking questions.
Yeah, let's do this.
But that's why I wanted to come to a shop, to get us excited. Because online, you have to wait a couple weeks for it to ship in. By that time, like, you waited 2 weeks to look at it.
You cannot see the
You cannot see it, and then you're like, oh, I don't like this shirt. And here, we don't get to see the logo or the design, but we get to see the material, how it looks, how it kind of fits. And then from there, you can envision your logos.
Right.
Right? So that's why.
All right, let's go.
So we're in the fashion district.
Do I look too overdressed for this area?
Not at all. I don't think so, at least. Fashion district. So see, like, there's all of these right here, right?
Man, that's so turkey. That's so turkey.
They don't look like the same material. Even this. There it is. That's the one. I took you to the wrong one. I didn't even take you to the right one. No, over here. See, they have different material shirts too. Here. How's it going, man?
What I definitely want is the t-shirts, the length of the arms. We have the ones that are longer.
That'd be the one with the longest sleeve right there.
That's the one? Is that the same that you have?
No, this one actually we don't carry here anymore.
You used to have it?
It got discontinued a long time ago.
Okay.
But the sleeves on this should be comparatively longer. It's actually drop shoulder a little bit. So it's slightly oversized.
But they don't rise up, right? Essentially,
No,
or
not necessarily. And they're side seamed also, so it's a very premium shirt.
oh, that's solid. What is the difference between prints?
I mean, it just really depends on your logo, you know? Like, people come out for certain types of prints, but I always tell them, let me see your logo and let me recommend what's most economical and what's practical, you know?
Okay.
So there are many types of prints, but you might not even need to go down that route.
Okay.
Based on your logo.
And like, let's say on the basic level,
Screen
like screen print, and then from there, how long would it last for washes
It'll
and
last
stuff
forever.
like? Last forever.
Yeah,
Okay.
It lasts just as long as the shirt does. Go like this, because these are different qualities. I do have this one. I do have it all in the same quality. You know, if you want to go with this quality, to have everything just
For me, it was very important to feel because online you cannot feel the materials, right?
Yeah. We saw samples from online, but yeah, I agree. You want with apparel, you want to touch it.
Yeah.
And actually, it's funny, I have these other Turkish customers, young guys, and they used to buy a different shirt from us. And then this is like relatively new. We got this in the last year.
Okay.
You know, and now they switch over, they're buying this one, you know. And they always come back, they buy more of this one. Interesting.
Yeah, the material doesn't seem too bad. It seems, yeah, it's nice.
Cool. I like it, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
You got,
I'm good.
you good?
Yeah.
All right. So what we'll do? You got the card?
Got it.
Yeah. We'll submit the quote and then go from there.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
bro.
Thank you, guys.
Nice to meet you as well. Have a good one, bro.
Look at that, what we found here in Los Angeles.
Minneapolis never leaves our side, right?
These are inside tag printing. Beautiful.
So those are custom, the inside ones?
Yes, this is custom. You can provide your logo and put it on, you know.
Wholesale. Everything's
This shirt.
like this one.
I want to compare it to Turkey. I know with the shipping process and quality and all that stuff, and might cause some trouble. Have everything here within the country makes a lot more sense. I want to see more, and I have more comparison between what the service would be, what the process would be, what the material quality would be, like overall package. I don't know. Let's move on.